This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, August the 28th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the monsoonal flow continues over the western part of the country, and Hurricane Irene is taking over the weather story in the eastern part of the country. In the middle, mostly clear skies and seasonal conditions. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. A few severe thunderstorm warnings in Montana and North Dakota, a few flood issues over Arizona. Otherwise, it's the hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings from North Carolina coast northeastward. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, shows the heaviest precipitation with Irene over the mid-Atlantic and northeast states where upwards of 9 inches of rain are possible. Over the state here, maybe up to a half inch. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see Irene over just near New York City. We'll be in a northwesterly flow aloft with a heat ridge developing south and west of the state. At the surface, there could be a disturbance, or there will be a disturbance moving through far western Iowa that may kick off a shower or storm. It'll be less than 20%, otherwise it'll be dry. Monday, Irene is now into Canada. A bit of moisture over the high plains and into the Rockies. Tuesday, model shows a convective system in the state that may bring some showers and thunderstorms at that time. It'll also be bringing warmer conditions as we head off into Wednesday. Could see an early shower maybe into the afternoon. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny. Thursday, the heat really begins to turn up. Southwesterly winds aloft. Frontal system west of the state. We could see the highs closing in on 90 degrees with dew points closing in on 70. Friday, the frontal system edges closer. Could be into northwestern Iowa by Friday afternoon. Could see some showers and thunderstorms that could affect some high school football games at that time. Saturday, the front will be east of the state. Could be a lingering shower or storm through Saturday morning in the southeastern half of the state. Otherwise, it'll be clearing with highs in the lower to middle 80s. A week from today, you can see a progressive flow, a west to northwesterly flow north of the state with a ridge developing south and west of the state once more. And at the surface, we'll still have that frontal system having been off to our east. We'll have some moisture nearby to the south and west, but nothing around here. We move further into the future. Here's September the 8th. You can see a main storm track well into Canada with a bit of a dip over the New England states. With that, we could see maybe a shower or storm with an upper level system as some warm air begins to develop over the west. And at the end of the forecast, September the 12th, dip in the jet stream over the northern high plains. Otherwise, the main storm track remains over the north. With that, could see a storm system developing west of the state at that time. So we could see some active weather by the middle of September. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.